Hi, I'm Alan from Oakville, Ontario, and I'm reviewing the Mastercraft Drill Bit Sharpener. To test this product, we got a 10-year-old drill bit and a block of pine. This drill bit hasn't been sharpened for the past 10 years or so, so using the Mastercraft Sharpener, we sharpened it after drilling some test holes. So you can see here and here they're quite shallow. We didn't use too much force, just to get a reference. The instructions say to sharpen it for about 5 to 10 seconds on each side. We found that wasn't long enough and had to do it for significantly longer before we found noticeable results. After sharpening it, we did notice that it was much easier to cut into the wood, and you can see we have much deeper holes here. Overall, I'd give this product a 4 out of 5 stars, with 5 out of 5 stars if the instructions were a bit clearer. I would recommend the Mastercraft Drill Bit Sharpener to my friends and family. It did a pretty good job sharpening up this 10-year-old drill bit, which we can now use again.